And on to our next stop, this huge Peppermill. Look at that backdrop too. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at these guys. Ladies and gentlemen and everybody else. Reno.
Haven't been to Reno. Oh my god.
Reno.
It's a change.
Haven't been here in like 20 years. Well, actually, no, I've been here. But still, look at this.
Look, oh my goodness.
I'm just gonna drive through because I just want to take a video. I am going to the true lane, baby. Ooh, through. Wow, maybe it's been like this. I just haven't been over here. Look at the biscottis. Is that like is that a pastry? Why pastries? Additional free parking. Let's go. Wow.
This is pretty.
This is pretty. Hotel registration. Go on the skywalk. We're gonna do the skywalk for everybody to see.
Stop.
Shit.
This looks good. Bust. I don't like this. That looks good. Reaches 8. Here we go.
Doesn't smell like fart here.
Where did it smell fart? Oh, nuggets. I think there's skywalk. There is
Video games.
arcade. Look at the lighting. Alright. So one of those videos that says
Repair with zip ties. Yep. Repair with zip ties.
with zip ties.
Alright, walking down. And you see pastries. Pastries. Hotels to the right. Here's the casino. You want pastry?
Okay, so this is a huge casino floor.
There's Jackpot Carnival there.
Dragon Lane. They have a bar. Sports bar.
Yeah. I recorded all this already, but I recorded it the other direction rather than this way.
Available with the connected driving experience. And the world's first 6-function multi-point tailgate.
You ever want to bet sports?
No. Nope, not me.
Or just an out.
Takes too long. Let's walk over.
Look at those doors. This outside look like it's
The devil.
red.
The devil. Oh.
Crazy man.
You want to play?
You want to play? You're right. Okay, this one has a lower ceiling.
Lower ceilings, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so lost around here. No idea where we're at.
Same place.
Peppermill Towers.
Ooh, it's downstairs.
I don't know. I'm not going. Man.
That
So
is huge.
this is, we're not even done with the slot machine area yet, and there's more slots over here. And now this is all the tables. So there's tables here, slots way over there, more slots on the left, more slots over there, table games here, Tons of slots over there. Let's walk over here. Sheesh. Look at the copper ceilings.
Yeah. It's actually really nice.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like cigarettes yet.
I have a feeling that that frog game's right here.
Oh god.
Yeah, that frog game that
That never pops.
ribbit.
See?
Paid 201, call attendant. Yeah, that one never popped.
So the one I want to play are right there.
Is that the smokeless area? Smoke free? Let's see. Sheesh. Oh, you want to play that?
Yeah.
You want to play it? You want to play it? So, this is the restaurant. The restaurant's not that great. This is the walkway that's smoke free, all the way back there. They have their own smoke free area. And I shouldn't be recording because I might be recording someone with someone else's wife.
Or vice versa.
Yep.
A wife with another wife.
Oh. To each their own. And then let's walk over to the other restaurant area where the slots are. Table games. Bubble craps? I think it's over here. These are all expensive video games. There it is, right there. Smokeless. We are not even going in the high limit area yet. The high limit is not that big.
No, it's pretty small.
Sheesh. Keeps going. Keeps going.
I haven't seen any bubble
Bacon.
craps.
Drinking bacon.
Where?
She won
Oh,
something.
there it
What's that fish game? Money line. We're getting good exercise for you all. Walking around, walking around.
That's it.
And then outside is red because they're saying, don't go outside. Stay in here.
Yeah.
Stay in here and gamble all your money away. There's the restaurant.
We haven't tried this one. They have crabs.
They have crabs? I don't want crabs. Oh,
yeah.
crab.
Come on. I want more than one.
Let's go in the high limit area real quick.
They have a second floor. Ballrooms.
They're
Never mind.
ballrooms. Look, see?
They also have a restaurant upstairs too.
Ah,
Yeah.
see. Alright, we're gonna go in the high limit area and take a look at that. Let's walk around here real quick to the high, and then go in the high limit. There's some old school machines.
I don't see anything.
We don't have it here, huh? Old machines over here. Very old. So, bar area. On the other side is where the high limit is. Back out to the floor. Now going into the high limit. Slot players only. Slot players only. Slot. Got loose slots here. Fish game. Bacon, bacon. Prosperity Dragon Links over here. There's one guy winning at this last time we were here, winning a lot.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the high limit area. So we're walking out of the high limit room. Now on this side. It could be on this side. Let's see. We already came on this side. Didn't see it. Let's go over the other side because we didn't walk over there.
Okay.
There's this room. We didn't walk over here yet.
No.
Sheesh. Casino wizard. A lot of old school machines. Hey, an old man. This is where we were at. Yep. Okay.
Over the past 2 years, Jersey Mike's fundraiser for Feeding America has been a huge success. Their efforts have provided more than 75 million meals when people need it most. But there's still work.
She's buying an instant future. Can I watch this real quick? Yeah, old school way. Old school way.
Does it?
There's your quick hit.